Hello friends. I hope you are doing well. Welcome to my new tutorial on the SmartAssistant channel. In today's tutorial, we will go through the steps together that will allow you to easily disable these features on your Twitter account. Whether you want more privacy or simply want to focus on text communication, these steps will help you customize your Twitter experience according to your preferences. So if you're ready, let's start with the first step. So, open your Twitter application. Then, in the top left corner of the screen, tap on your profile. Now, tap on the Settings and Support option, then select Settings and Privacy. Once you're in the settings, find the Privacy and Safety option and enter it. Once you've done that, now select the Direct Messages option. Now, tap on the switch for the Enable Audio and Video Calling option to disable it. That's all, folks. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, please like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. Stay well and see you in the next video.